How to change your group wallpaper on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your group wallpaper on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone and click on your group. Now click on your group again, and all you need to do is click on chat color and wallpaper, and now click on set wallpaper, and all you need to do is choose from your photos or like from here those colors. For example, I choose this color and click on set wallpaper, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.